in this video I want to show you how to create RAR and zip files by archiving your files into any of these extensions. So in order to do this, we'll need to get the RAR app, which we've shown how to get in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then Photography Pro. There's a bunch of pictures which we're gonna pack into the RAR file. Select each file that you want to pack, click on this plus button, and right here you'll be able to change the settings for archiving. Select the name for this archive and let's call it pictures. You can also set the password for the archive, create solid archive, delete files after archiving. In the advanced there'll be more advanced options, and in the options there'll be more options. In the comment section you can leave any comment about this archive, and when it's ready click on OK, and pictures that will be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.